personal training appointment, how would we do that? We have the ability to book the personal training appointments. So going to the schedule feature, this is where we book the one-on-one appointments, where you have to book for personal trainings, fitness consultation. So we have it under this fitness calendar. Now, whenever we are booking an appointment, the member should have a valid membership to book an appointment. So, just checking for an active member. So, this is where we will find all the members, and we go to fitness calendar. We check, click on book. This is where we book an appointment, which is one-on-one appointments. We search for the client whose appointment has to be booked. As you can see, we get the list over here. We also have the status, so we select it. The next is where you have to select the purpose of what this appointment is related to. So, personal training, and then we have whether it is physical or virtual. Physical meaning the appointment is being booked with the trainer and member in the club. Virtual is basically if any remote coaching happens, like online trainings and all. So, we do have this also. For physical, you just have to select the date and time, trainer's name, and book it. For virtual, similarly, you can select the date and time, trainer's name, and here, addition to it, you can also put in the link, which is a Google Meet link or Zoom link, in which the member can join in online. And whenever this appointment is booked, the member will receive a message that is confirming that the appointment has been booked. So here we select the trainer's name. Next is we select the date and time. So let's say this is the time that the member has booked for. We can also edit over here. And then we choose a room if it's compulsory. If not, we can just click on create appointment. Now over here we also have the feature which is known as manage availability. That's the reason why we get this validity message over here. And repeat is basically if the member's appointment has to be booked on a weekly basis, so that can also be scheduled maybe Monday, Wednesday, or Monday, Wednesday, Friday, like an alternate weekly basis, or you can also schedule it for a month for the client. And then we click on create appointment. Now this message comes because of the validation message related to the above, and you can just click on yes and the appointment gets created. So this is how you can schedule an appointment for a member. You can see over here, this is where the appointment is with the member that we have scheduled in a PT appointment.